What you got there, Matt?
We're gonna cut this and it's gonna hold feed for us. Cut the top off. Instead of buying a bunch of garbage cans.
Didn't we already buy a bunch of garbage cans?
We need more. I don't want to buy any more.
Get all this feed. That's all got to get down to the feed room. Thankfully, the boys helped us clean that out yesterday. We just got it all cleaned up, picked up, and then a friend stopped over with some more lettuce and produce and things for the animals. So we were really grateful for it, but we had just cleaned it up, so it was like, ooh. So now we're going to figure out how to get this feed all in there. Matt's got the new container for some of it. See what we can do, right, boys?
I think I figured it out.
Liddy, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so you guys, we're going to have to clean out the feed room so we can get this in a corner. I'm hoping it'll fit through the doorway. I don't know if
I don't, it's probably not going to.
No.
What was in it?
Organic matter, that's all it said. I'm going to cut right here. We can rinse this out so there's none of that plastic in there. And then this will go right over the top for a lid.
It works slick.
It'll hold our feed. It'll work. We'll hold a lot more feed in there than we can in a barrel. So we'll store our feed in here and then we'll have some in a barrel. And as the barrel gets low, we'll just take this lid off, fill up the barrel, and then we don't have to take the lid off every day.
Try lifting it and it tipped over. Now we're trying to lift it back.
Carry the lid.
Shield.
And I can see it.
So the weather is finally looking like spring, and we are just loving it, and we've been outside pretty much every day the last few days, so this has been so nice.
We need to clean everything out of here to get that in. We have too much food. So I'm thinking I'll probably put it right here. It'd be the best bet in this corner. I'm thinking get another one of those and have it as a brooder.
So I didn't record this, I probably should have, but Matt's got the vehicle back down as far as he could, so we can get the feed in. Now, ideally, it'd be nice if the ground was frozen enough to get all the way down here, but the whole time it's been frozen, there's been so much snow and stuff that wasn't happening. Now that the snow is finally, it's still here, but mostly gone, the yard's just mush. So we're gonna have to try and empty all this feed out so he can get the vehicle back out of here.
Anything to get out of work.
I'll get a bucket. You took one of mine. Oh. So much easier to carry too. Idea 1, idea 2, idea 3. Third time's the charm. Want one of the kids to grab it?
Yeah, I'll just guess.
That always goes well.
I was right with you.
Guess. Guess once, cut twice, right? That's what the saying is?
No, I saw you and I said, I think she's going to be my wife. I guessed right.
He's on idea 3.
What do you mean?
Remember we talked about this invention brain that you guys have too? I do not.
Ask Mom what idea she's on.
What idea are you?
I'm on 0, Dad's on 3. So we're gonna go with Dad's gonna figure it out long before I do.
Not touching.
Maybe that's how a real goose is.
It's not big as a goose.
You're relaxing. Careful there, Laura.
I want geese all over our fort.
Geese all over your fort?
Pretend geese.
Might attract wild ones then.
Are you recording me working again?
Yeah. Tell us what you did.
Well, I made a bin that you didn't think it would happen.
I did not think it would happen. I just said you were on try 3.
Sturdy.
I did 3. It does look really sturdy.
Now the lid will fit on with ease. I know what I'm going to do next time because I'm going to do another one of these. We're going to take it, I'm going to make a frame on the outside, and then I'm going to use the saw to cut. So then the length will be right, and it'll little slide right down to the 2x4s.
Are you saying your guessing wasn't accurate?
What do you mean?
You said then the length will be right.
Right, so if I have the 2x4s on the outside, so not on the inside, so it won't take up room. If you have it on the outside, then the lid will slide right down to the 2x4s. That's what I'm insinuating.
Looks good. You think the kids will be able to scoop out of there?
They won't. So the
you're
whole
gonna put it
idea
in a
is
bucket.
we're going to have one bin that's going to be just with this feed. And then when that runs out, we'll take the lid off, scoop this into a bin.
I feel like...
It's going to take up a lot less room.
Yeah. I feel like if you maneuvered it, you could probably fit a second one on top of it.
No. No way. Are you going to climb up there and scoop it out?
No. I don't know. It depends. You got like a little platform for me?
Depends. Isn't that your underwear?
I'm so tired. Too tired for this. I got no comeback. I'll move the feet around.
Yeah. Obviously, you not working.
Smile! It's so fun! Working hard.
When you work hard, you get thirsty.
Oh, I wouldn't know. Nobody brought me my water bottle. Well, we lost Matt. He's in this container of feed, I assume.
Found gold.
Are we making an impact? Because right now it just looks like a big, full container. So, we got one bag done. Do you feel accomplished? I think we're down to one helper, and he doesn't look like he's too engaged anymore. All right, so on to the layer feed. How much feed did you get for future self when you forget?
Well, we got 1,000 pounds of layer feed because that lasts us 6 months, and then we got whatever it is, 1,500 pounds for
Meat
birds, and then we got the 500 pounds, so it'll be 400 pounds of hog feed I got.
And that's not even here yet.
No.
For another day.
Yep, so we'll be doing this until dark.
Oh, well, let's keep her going.
Glad you got to see me again.
And me too. Bye.
Glad you got to see me again, too. Bye.